Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There is a tree whose leaves do not fall, and its example is like a Muslim. Tell me which tree that is." So people started thinking about the trees in the forest. A thought passed through my heart that it was a date palm. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, "I felt shyness." The people said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you may yourself tell about it." So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "It is a date palm." Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu says, "I informed my father of the thought that passed through my heart. He said, if you had said it, it would have been dearer to me than such and such thing." Red camels. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 131.